In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use map view on monday.com. We'll walk through the entire process, starting from your main board, so you can visually see all your locations as pins on a map. This is really useful if you're tracking things like client addresses, job sites, events, or any location-based tasks. First, log into your monday.com account and look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where your workspaces are listed. Choose the workspace that contains the board you want to work on. Inside that workspace, open the specific board and group where you want to store your locations or addresses. Now we need to add a location column. Move to the right-hand side of your columns, all the way to the end of the table, and click the plus icon. This opens the column center, where you can choose different column types. Instead of scrolling through everything, use the search bar at the top and type location. When you see the location column appear, click it to add it to your board. This column is what will power your map view, so make sure it's added to the board where your data lives. Once the location column has been added, you can start filling it in. Click directly on a cell in the location column for a particular item or row. A small window will open, allowing you to type an address, a city, or a place name. As you type, monday.com will suggest matching locations. Choose the correct one for that row. Repeat this process for each item that needs a location. The more accurately you enter these addresses, the better your map will be. With your locations in place, you're ready to create the map view. Look at the top of your board where you see the different views, such as main table or table. Next to these tabs, click the plus icon. A drop-down will appear with some suggested views. At the bottom of that list, click Explore More Views. This will open a window showing all the available views. In this window, find the map view card. When you see it, click Open in Board. Your board will reload, and you'll now see a map with pins representing each of the locations you entered in the location column. You can zoom in and out, drag the map around, and visually explore where all your items are. If you want a larger view, go to the top right corner of the map view card and click the More Options menu. Choose Full Screen. The map will open in a bigger pop-up, making it easier to see clusters of locations and details. You can click on any pin to view more information about that specific item, such as its name or other fields from your board, giving you a clear visual way to understand where everything is happening.